Okay, new box. Let's do this. All right, what do we have today? Okay, more lettuce, green lettuce. And, oh, nice broccoli. Nice broccoli. And another strawberries.
Strawberries.
Yeah. Wow, look at this, how big it is.
Cilantro.
Yeah. Yeah, let's look at the size of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Oh, I got cabbage this time.
Okay.
Yeah, cabbage. Green cabbage. Okay. Juice oranges.
Okay.
Wow, many. Lots of juice oranges.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some more. Okay. What is this? Is that a turnip?
Turnip.
It's a turnip, right?
Yeah.
Live turnip. Okay, wow. What are we going to do with this one? Not sure.
I have to see.
Just the cabbage.
How?
Nice big onion. Red,
Yeah.
green onion again. Okay. Okay. Oh, carrots.
Oh, I like that.
Look at that. And so we can use the
Stock.
stock as well, I think, right? For something. But that's good. Amazing. Carrot. And then more bok choy. And arugula. I
Okay.
think. This is not spinach. 1 second. Yeah. It's arugula.
Yes.
You can spell it. Yeah. Okay, so this time's box.
Ta-da!